Hey everyone, how is it going? I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Thank you so very much for being here on the channel. If it's your first time, make sure you go ahead and hit on that subscription button. And also while you're at it, make sure to hit on the notification bell. On this channel, you will be treated with YouTube tips, beauty tips, and of course a few of my little crazy going on. So if that interests you any at all, it gives you all the right to go ahead and start subscribing from now. In today's video, I am going to be giving you a tutorial of how you're able to go about in getting free music for your videos. If you're struggling with that, make sure to stick around because you don't want to miss out on that. Before I get started though, you know what I've got to do. It's time for big up segments. Yes, I want to go ahead and big up none other than Larissa White. Yes, Larissa, I see you. So big up Larissa White. Larissa's channel is all about lifestyle and beauty. So if that interests you any at all, you can go ahead, jump onto her channel as soon as this video is finished though. All right. Jump on over to Larissa's channel and show her some support. For you to be featured on our big up segment, just go ahead and follow the instructions there in the description area because you might be the next person on our big up segment. Now let's get into the video. Many persons have been struggling with copyright music, and of course, I was one of those persons also. I have been given claim on my YouTube channel for copyright music. Once I learned about the copyright music, I made sure from that time not to get it again. Since recently, I got a claim on my account. I went in and I fixed it. Now, how did I get the claim? It is because of two words in a song which was playing in a store while I was doing a vlog. So even when you're in stores, you have to be listening out for the music which are playing. So if it's going on for too long, do not even bother to record. Or if you're going to be recording, make sure when you're editing, you mute that section. So today I am going to be helping you all out because I know there are many of you out there who have been going through the same thing that I have been going through. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to be doing a detailed tutorial of how you're able to get some free music because I know many of you are struggling to get some free music. So let's just jump on into the tutorial as to how we're able to get some free music in our life. Okay, so to get you started, what you want to do once you have launched your YouTube on your device, you're going to come to your right hand side where you have the icon with your photo or your profile picture. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio is populated, you're going to make your way on over to your far left where you'll see dashboard, content, playlists, analytics. You're going to scroll down to where it says audio library. You're going to select audio library. Once that is done, you are now in the YouTube audio library area. You will be able to find numerous hundreds and tons of songs here that you're able to use. They are free, so there's no need for you to worry about getting copyright claim. All right, and also I should let you know, you'll see where you're able to play the songs, download them. You'll see the names of the song, the genre, the type of mood of the songs, the artists, and the duration of the songs. And also it will tell you the date when these songs were uploaded to YouTube. So it's up to you to choose which one you would want. All right, just to give you an example, I like to look for the longer songs, which are these, because based on the videos which I usually use them for, that is like if I do a vlog video or when I do my hair or my makeup, I tend to put music in those videos. For me though, what I usually do, I usually look for the longer songs, and also I look for the songs which would fit my personality. Those of you who have been on my channel before, you know the type of jazzy, upbeat personality that I do have. So I tend to go towards those songs many of the times, right? So all I would do is just click here where I see this, the play button. Just click on the play button, then it will show to the bottom here, and you will be able to hear the song which is playing. And then also, once you do like that song, you can just go ahead and either click on download from here, or if you want to come to the bottom here where the song is playing, and then click on download. Once you do that, then it's going to go into your downloads area. All right, let me see this here. You know, I love reggae. I don't know if it's going to be playing so you're able to hear it. So what I'll do, since I love reggae, let me see, 3 minutes and 39. All right, I can work with that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download this track. So it's downloading now. Then it pops up right here down the bottom in download. What I am now going to do is I'm going to save it because it's already there in download. So I'll just go over here in downloads to fetch that song. Here's it, Earthbound, and I'm just going to cut it from there. And then what I do, probably you'd remember from one of my last videos which I did, I have a folder where I have everything. So here you'll see YouTube video songs. So I'll just go ahead and I'm going to put it in here. So in this folder, I do have all my songs which I have downloaded from the YouTube library. And yes, guys, I do have all of these in a folder, and I do use from the YouTube library. Reason being, I have gotten YouTube copyright claim on my videos before, and I do not want this to happen to me anymore. If this should happen to you, you will get a message from YouTube telling you that there was a claim on your video, and then you would be able to choose one of the options which they do give to you, right? And you also need to bear in mind that there's a difference between copyright claim and copyright strike. So I did not get a strike, I got the claim. All right, so you need to know the difference of that if you need for me to do a video, so you're able to know what is the difference between a copyright claim and a copyright strike, then you can let me know and I'll be happy to do that video for you. The outcome of the claim which I got, all I did was just to take the option of deleting the video. So I took down the video, edited it, and then re-upload it. All right, so that's it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment area that you did or you did not enjoy it. Let me know if it was helpful to you. And if you would love to see some more tutorials, you can also let me know in the comment area and what you would want to see me do a tutorial on. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so very much for being here. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Go ahead and hit on that subscription button, and while you're at it, make sure to hit on the notification bell. And also, guys, guess what? I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take care. Walk good. Bye.